Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix your Superbox black screen not turning on. So when this is happening, basically the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that it is plugged in onto a working power source. So you just want to check your wall outlet just to make sure that it's working properly. From there, you also want to make sure that your power cord or the power source, which is going to be this one, is basically working and plug in securely. Now, that's the main reason on why this is happening. It's not turning on because it doesn't get enough power or doesn't get power at all. And the next thing that you want to do is to try to power cycle your device because there might be some extra currency or some extra electricity on the device itself, enabling or disabling it to turn on completely. So what you want to do is to just unplug the power cord right here onto the wall outlet, and from the Superbox, wait for around 30 seconds or 1 minute. From there, you then want to plug it back in and see if that works. This will basically drain out the circuits in your Superbox right here. The next thing that you want to do is to check your HDMI cable. So an HDMI cable will look something like this. So you just want to check both ends if it's securely plugged in onto your Superbox and onto the computer or the TV itself. Now, after making sure that the HDMI is working smoothly and properly, you then want to head over to your television, and then you have to make sure that you have selected the right display. So in most smart TVs out there, you basically have to select the input mode. We have the TV, which is going to be the channels for your television. You have something like a VGA outlet, you have component, you have AV, and of course you have the HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Now, you want to choose HDMI 1, and if that didn't work, you then want to choose the HDMI 2. And of course, after trying all of these solutions out, you will be able to fix your problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.